Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So you may attempt to unlock your account by going here if it has been temporarily locked and choosing unlock. If this method isn't successful, you will have to wait a while to be able to log in again. If Snapchat notices suspicious activity like adding an excessive number of friends or using unapproved third-party application, they may lock your account. So you have to wait for 24 hours to log back in if your account has been temporarily locked. Now, if after waiting for 24 hours still there's no response from the customer service team, I'm going to show you the next method on how to fix this. Again, if you encounter this temporarily disabled, what you want to do is to simply forgot your password. So if ever you see this one and you see this option that says forget your password, all you have to do is to tap this forget your password, and then you have to choose how you want to reset your password. You can reset your password via phone or via email, so you just have to choose one. If you tap via phone, you have to provide your phone. If you tap this via email, you have to provide your email. And they will show you and tell you some instructions on how to fix this problem. The third and last method is you have to go to your Google Play Store and type Snapchat, and you have to make sure that your application or this application is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. You can also uninstall and reinstall this application to make sure that the version that you're using is the latest one. So I really hope that this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.